Let's let you try one. Now we want to write a function that computes an inverse cascade. What's that? Well, if we pass in the number 1, 2, 3, 4, we want it to print out the following lines. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then get smaller on the way down. Now, if you want, you can try to implement this from scratch. I'm going to give you some structure right now so that you can implement it in a particular way, using higher order functions. First, here's the implementation we'll use. We'll call grow to print the 1, the 1, 2, and the 1, 2, 3. We'll call println in order to print the longest line of all. Then we'll call shrink. Now, what are grow and shrink? Well, they're both going to be related to the following higher order function, which takes in two functions f and g and a number n. And if n, meaning if n is not 0, 0 is the only false value of a number. So if n is not 0, then we'll call f and then we'll call g in that order. So here's the challenge to you. Define grow and shrink, which are both functions of a single argument we'll call n that involve calling f and g on some arguments. So your goal now is to figure out what arguments we could pass in order to complete the implementation of inverse cascade. Pause the video and think about it. I'll show you the answer in 3, 2, 1. One way to implement inverse cascade is with a grow function that first grows and then prints. So why does grow and then print? Well, because we want to do the small stuff first and then the big stuff. And we're calling it first on n, and then passing in n divided by 10, passing in n divided by 10 there, etc. And so, by growing first and then printing, we get from smallest to largest. Shrink prints first and then shrinks some more, so that when we pass in the large number, we first print it out, and then we print out the rest of the smaller ones in decreasing order.